the only country in the world where we do all shipping documentation exchange, including bill of lading, letters of credit, and invoicing, is China. And here China took the courage and took the lead to do it. And we did our first imports into China 100% digitalized. For us, it's not only about convenience, it's also about efficiency. Because by digitalizing this process, we are reducing our lay time for imports from 10 days to 3-4 days. So Shanghai is one very special location for Asia, I think. I would say it's not only a large market size, but also a market that continues to grow.